let's solve this SAT question. The figure above shows a regular hexagon with sides of length A and a square with sides of length A. If this area of the hexagon is 384 root 3 square inches, what is the area in square inches of the square? Let's get into the question. Alright, so we have a hexagon and a square is attached to it. This is a regular hexagon. Now, if this is the hexagon, let me redraw it. If this is inscribed in a circle, if a hexagon is inscribed in a circle, notice this will be the center, and this will be the side. This will be the radius of the circle. This will also be the radius of the circle. Notice that this will be true for all the hexagons, so that in the hexagon, since these things are all radius, since they are all radius, the triangles are, at least because they have the same radius, they are equilateral for now. So we know that this place is A from the question. Now if this is 360, the angle at the center of the circle, if you divide it by 6, since we have 6 triangles, each of these, let me concentrate on this, will be 60 degrees. And since this is radius, if you also divide the remaining angle inside the triangle, 180 minus 60, that will give me 120. 120 divided by 2, this place is also 60 and 60. So each of these triangles is an equilateral triangle, meaning that all the sides are equal. So I have this. If this is A, this will be A, this will be A. This is 60, 60, 60. So how do you find the area of a triangle? We know that the area of a triangle is given by half, for where the height is not obvious, half AB sine theta. So in this case, this will be half A times A, because they are all equal, and then sine what? 60 degrees, right? Sine 60 degrees. So this will be half A times A times sine 60 degrees is root 3 over 2. Now that's the area of one triangle, one equilateral triangle in a regular hexagon. Now there are 6 of them, so the total area then will be 6 times 1 over 2 times A times root 3 over 2. And we were given that this area is same as this, so this will be 384 root 3. Now solving this, what do we have? 2 here will give me this. So I have 3a squared. This will cancel this to give me 3. A squared root 3 all over 2 is equals to 384 root 3 all over 2. I want to make this a squared the subject of the formula. So what do? I'm going to multiply. Anyway, we have 2 here, so sorry, there's no 2 here. So cross multiplying, you will have that 3a square root 3 is equals to, this time this will give me 8 into this is 16, 6 carry 1, this is 6, 7, 8 root 3. Okay, now divide both sides by 3 root a. Divide this by 3 root a. This will cancel this. This is root 3, sorry. This will cancel this. This is root 3. This will cancel this, and 3 into this. You have that a squared is equals to 3 here is 2, 5, 6. Now, the area of a square, since each side is a, the area of the square is a square. So the required area of the square, is a times a, which is a squared, and that is what we got as 256. Thanks for being a part of this video.